AI builds a landing page, and I'll show you the tweaks that make it truly yours. Head over to Readdy.ai. Link is in the description. It saves you money and also helps support the channel. Thank you. All right, let's get started. Click on pricing. There are 3 plans you can start with. The free one, and then you can upgrade to the paid one if you want to continue using Readdy. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the free option. Click on Get Started. You can sign up with Gmail or any other email. I'm going to use Gmail for this demo. You can skip what are you planning to build question if you want. Skip for now. In this tutorial, we are going to build a landing page for personal trainer, but you can use learnings from this tutorial and apply it to any landing page you want to build. Readdy also offers templates. If you scroll down, we have templates for different sections, from home and garden to restaurants to education, e-commerce. For instance, you can, if you hover over any of the templates, you can use it right away, or you can preview. Let's preview this one. You can see how the template looks. If you are happy with it, close this one. You can click on use. But in this tutorial, we are going to go with telling Readdy exactly what we want to build. Here in the box, you can describe what you want to build in your own words. If you are not sure or need ideas, you can use ChatGPT to help you create your prompt. I have something ready for the prompt, so we'll just paste. Here is the prompt I'm going to use. Basically saying create a modern, high converting landing page for personal trainer. Also added what to include. And if you look a little bit down here, I added testimonial section with specifically saying 2 to 3 short client quotes. And I'm also saying here, keep the layout simple, mobile friendly, and focus on conversions. Obviously, we can tweak this description. Another thing, before we continue, you can use the microphone to describe exactly what you want to build instead of typing. Click send. Now that we have a structure, we can modify it. We can move sections, select, let's say, contact form, click, drag to the bottom, let go. We can bring it back as well. We can add a new section. Just click add section. Let's give it a name. We can also delete. We are going to delete the one that we have just created. Just highlight and then click delete. Once finished, click next. For the logo, we can use a generated one or upload one. All you have to do is just click on upload a logo and upload the one that you want, or you can just use an AI generated logo. I'm going to use a generated one for this tutorial. We have the option also to regenerate an AI logo image. Click on regenerate. If you still don't like it, you can click regenerate again. Select one and click next. I'm going to select this one. Click next. Now the landing page is generating. This might take a few minutes. And here it is. It looks nice. We have the full landing page with the testimonials. For the Calendly integration, we will do that one later in the video to let users book an appointment through the landing page. If you scroll up, we have a beautiful background image as well. We have book session. We can skip this one for now. To edit the site, let's change the heading. You will need selector, which is right here in the bottom right. Let's select the heading. First, click on the select to edit. Go to the header one, click on it. You can type anything like updated, like this. Or if we delete it, we can use AI to tell exactly what to do with the header. Something like this. Click send. And just like that, it's updated. If you want to use AI just to tell it exactly where to put the word updated, then you can say something like this. Click send. There you go. AI just moved the word updated after mind. Let's add a text. Scroll down to success stories, which is right here. this one. Select header using selector. Same, you can just do it yourself like this, or you can use AI to do the updates for you. Let's ask AI to add a smaller heading too, a subheading under success stories. Let's say the subheading is Hello H2. Click send. Nice. It did add the Hello to subheading that we just asked AI to do. Let's change text color. Use selector again. For example, select success stories heading and change its text color to anything you like. I'm going with the yellow. Click send. And the color is updated. To rearrange sections, I'm going to use selector to move the middle column to the first one. So I'm going to use AI to do that one. And just like that, the columns are rearranged. Let's delete the middle column. Use selector again, select the middle column. We can delete it right from here. Select remove element, or we can use AI to do that one. Send. And it's gone. Let's replace an image. Scroll up and select the one that you want to change. I'm going to select the background image. Use selector, click here, outside the text. Let's ask AI to change the background image. And it did update the image for us. To upload an image, click on upload an image and ask AI to use the image I uploaded as a background image. And just like that, the image is updated. Back to the success stories. Let's add a column. Back to the right. Use selector to select any of the columns. I'm going to select the one in the middle. I'll ask AI to add a testimonial to the right with a 5-star review with the title Development Manager. Once finished, click send. The new column is there. Readdy automatically creates a new version each time we make changes. Let's go back to the chat and ask it to revert version 6. Restore version 6. Click send. We got a new version 11, but it's saying this version was created by restoring version 6. Since we have a form on the landing page, if you scroll up a bit, let's give it a test. Click send message. Message is sent. Let's check the email. There you go. We have received the message. Back to the landing page. Readdy offers integration with third-party platforms like Calendly. If you look up here at the top, we have integrations. So we have Calendly, we have Shopify and more. For this tutorial, I'm going to demo Calendly integration. If you scroll up, the landing page has a placeholder for booking appointment. We just need to configure Calendly. Back to the top, select integrations. If you click on Calendly, we have a scheduling link. If it happens like we have one, if we don't, then we need first to create an account, get the link, and then back to Readdy to put the link to finish the integration. So let's go to Calendly and sign up. I'm going to sign up using my Gmail account. For this question, how do you plan on using Calendly? I'll go with on my own. Click next. What's your role? Select anything. We can also set up Google Calendar. I'm going to click next. Here we can customize the weekly hours, the start time and the finish one. We can remove Monday, for example. I'm going to go with the default. Click next. For how would you like to meet with people, I'm going to go with default as well. Click continue. Close this one. By default, we've got the 30-minute meeting. Let's copy this one. Back to the landing page. Click on integrations. Click on Calendly. Paste the link we copied from Calendly here. Click connect. And now we are logged in into Calendly and the integration is complete. Just a note, if you face any issues, for example, issues with the integration with Calendly, then you can ask AI here in the chat to delete the Calendly section and generate it again. Plus, once you do that, then you will need to connect to Calendly again using the link that you have just copied here from Calendly. Let's book an appointment now. I'm going to select the 29th and go with 8 a.m. Click next, put my name, select schedule event. We got a confirmation message saying it's been confirmed. Let's check the email. There you go. This is the email that we have received. And here is the message. Let's check if we have received the appointment on the Calendly side. So go to Calendly meetings. And this is the one that we have just scheduled. If you expand, we get all the details. We can reschedule, we can cancel, we can edit the event type. Back to the landing page. The last thing to look at is SEO, stands for Search Engine Optimization. Click SEO here at the top. I won't cover SEO in detail, but I'll give you some guidance on what to do. SEO is important for your site's growth. Here at the bottom, we have two options. First one is AI automatic generation, and the other one is manual configuration generation. I'm going to let AI handle this for this demo. So going to click on AI automatic generation. Here in the chat, it's saying exactly what's done. So it enhanced the meta tags, the social media links, and sitemap and other information. If you click on SEO again, so here it's showing how it looks in Google search. This is more of a preview. You can also upload a favicon. You can change the website title. Obviously, we have exceeded the limit because the limit is 50. We can just do like this, for example. We have the website description. We can also modify it as well. The keywords. Once your site is live and starts getting visitors, you can check its performance under analytics. So if you click here at the top, we should see some analytics once we publish the site and once you start getting some visitors. Let's publish the site now. It's asking whether we have a domain or not. I'm going to go with I don't have a domain. Click next. At this point, Readdy is asking me to buy a domain because I don't have one. I'm going to stop here. If you want a custom domain, then you can purchase one at this step. Otherwise, you can just use the auto-generated domain and continue. Click back on the top left. Once we are done, let's publish the site from here again. Click on the drop-down list. This is the auto-generated link, or we can again go with the publish on custom domain like what I just demoed. Let's publish the auto-generated one. The site is live now. Copy domain, open new tab. There you go. The landing page is live with all the changes we've made. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thank you.